Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to effortlessly link your local files or folders, like docs, spreadsheets, or even big folders of photos, directly in Notion, then this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know how to connect your Notion workspace with your Google Drive folders, making project management, resource tracking, or study notes smoother and more organized than ever. Let's jump right in and get this set up. The first step is opening up the Notion database where you want to store your links. If databases feel new to you, don't worry, it's just a fancy word for one of Notion's super useful tables. You might already have a database for managing tasks, storing research, or keeping track of files. What you're about to do will make it even more powerful. In this database, we're going to add a new property. Properties are just the columns in your table. They help you organize different kinds of information. You'll want to add a property of the type URL. This is important because Notion recognizes URLs as clickable links, so when you paste a Drive folder link here, you and your teammates can jump straight to the folder with a single click. To do this, just hit plus to add a column, choose URL as the property type, and give it a name like folder link or Google Drive reference. This small setup step is essential. It lets Notion know you're going to store links, not just regular text. Now let's switch settings and grab your folder link from Google Drive. You'll want to open Google Drive in a new tab and navigate to the folder you want to link. Maybe this is your project folder, a shared folder of resources, or a folder where you keep all your team's deliverables. Find it in your Drive. Sometimes it helps to use the search bar if your Drive is crowded and right-click on the folder. Then choose Get Link. For most people, Google will default to sharing with anyone with the link, but double-check this setting if you're working in a team or with sensitive info. If you need tighter control, you can adjust sharing permissions right here. Once you're happy, copy the link. It's as simple as clicking the Copy Link button. The next step is returning to Notion. Go back into your database and find the entry, the row where you want to store this link. Maybe you're linking a folder to a particular project, a task, or a person. Click into the URL property you created earlier. Just click on the empty cell and paste in your Google Drive folder link. That's it. You've now created a direct bridge between Notion and your Google Drive folder. When you or anyone clicks on this link in the database, it'll whisk you straight to the folder. It might seem simple, but this workflow opens up so many possibilities. Quick access to planning docs, group assets, ongoing collaboration, and more. If you're linking files for the first time, don't worry if it takes a moment to find your way around. Everyone develops their own system. Just remember, the goal is to make your information easy to find and instantly useful. Before we wrap up, I just want to say, integrating services like Notion and Google Drive is all about making your digital workspace more intuitive and productive. With this technique in place, you'll save a ton of time searching for files and keep all your resources just one click away. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more how-tos and tips. Drop a comment if you have questions or ideas for other Notion tutorials. I always love hearing from you and helping out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.